My video review of the RedTiger dashcam. I bought this because of its size. I travel some crazy highways in Central Florida. Too many crazy drivers cut you off around here. The RedTiger dashcam was easy to set up. It works well in a variety of lighting conditions, such as fog, bright mornings, and dark evenings. You can download an app to save videos as needed. It is very easy to attach it to your windshield and can be removed easily. I chose to get my car dealership to hide the long power cord. It also comes with a rear-facing camera, but I chose not to install it. The RedTiger dashcam records your speed, GPS, as well as date and time. For privacy, I covered up my GPS location. I used the RedTiger dashcam to make a turn-by-turn driving video for my business. The link to that video will be down below in the description. I would highly recommend the RedTiger dashcam. I am not paid by RedTiger for this review. For peace of mind, get a RedTiger dashcam.